So I ordered another item by Lammcou because I was so impressed with their handlebar mount. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to have a little look at it and see what it is. It's a travel tripod, but it's a really flexible one. It looks much better than the gorrilapod, which my camera's mounted on right now, my Gopro. So let's have a look. So you've got this great box, as seems to be their trademark. And inside, wow, you've got a tripod. Let's have a little look at that. So you've got the tripod. I'm not going to put it up yet. It's very sticky silicone legs, plastic on the top. Then we've got a standard GoPro mount, 1/4 inch thread. Then we've got this little thing. We'll have a look and see what that is in a second. And we have the mobile phone holder, but this one's a bit different because you don't pull this to get it in and out, but you screw it, which means you're going to have a great fit on your mobile. We'll try that later. That looks great. It's got a 1/4 inch screw thread there and there. That looks really good. That's really good. Let's go back to this other little item, see what this is. So this, oh, I know what this is straight away. So they've supplied you with this because this is a ball head for your tripod. Now that's quite genius, really. So let's just have a little look and see how that's going to work. So we unscrew this, ball head clips in here, pushes in. Oh, it's quite tight. Maybe unscrew it a bit more. Oh, it's completely unscrewed now. Oh, that's great. That felt good. And tightens up. Oh, wow. When it's tight, you can't move it. That's magnificent. So when it's loose, you can move it to any angle you like. And when it's tight, it's pretty immovable. This tripod's supposed to support SLR up to 2 kilograms, and I can see why they're saying that now. So that's the head of it. The legs are the things that make this a bit different. Unlike a gorillapod, which has little tiny sections, this one you can virtually bend into any shape you like. In fact, they say that you can interweave it as well. Let me just pause the camera and do that. Wow, look at this. You can twist it together to make the best of all selfie sticks. Really solid, really comfortable, soft grip. That's incredible. It shows how flexible these legs are. So what we're going to do now, I mean, this is just great. We're going to try it outside. We're going to put it around some trees or door handles or posts. I'll try and put it around some slippy things and some awkward things and see what happens. Look at that. That is incredible. It's round a very slippy pole in the garden using a large SLR camera with a battery pack on it. And it's solid. That's incredible. Let's try something else. This is insane. There's no way that any of my tripods would be able to do this. Such an awkward shape. Look at this. Supporting my heavy SLR again. This is insane. It's so good. And again, it's solid. It is solid. I can't believe that. That's incredible. Let's try one more item. This is insane. This handle goes up and down, but I've wrapped the arms round to stop the handle going up and down. This is, I trust this not to drop my camera on the concrete floor. I trust it so much. This is insane. It's fantastic. So I thought I'd try one more thing before I finish, because this is unbelievably good. I mounted my iPhone on some bits of plants. Look at this. That is just crazy. Oh my god. That is it's so good. I got to show you one last thing. This is so insanely ridiculous. I decided to see if I could mount it just to the side of a door. It's not holding on to anything, it's just the angles are good. So my phone is pretty secure on a door frame with nothing really to hold on to. This is incredible. What a great little tripod this is. I will highly recommend this, and this will be going into my kit bag instead of my gorrilapod, which will be taken out, and I'll be using the Lammcou travel tripod from now on. Fantastic bit of kit, and I highly recommend it for any photographer, whether it's an SLR, GoPro or mobile phone.